Hello, everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I greet you according to where you are and exactly when you see this video. You are highly welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. If today is your first time or you're just stopping by to say hi, I promise you saying hi and welcome to my channel. All right, if today is your first time or you're just stopping by to say hi, saying welcome, please do consider clicking on the red button, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in this channel we'll talk about the natural recipe, how to use the natural things to get solution to life. So you are highly welcome. All right, so for my return subscribers, thank you very much everyone, my beautiful people, for coming around always. I really thank you and I'm grateful. All right. So happy new week. Happy new week. Week of favor, week of prosperity, week of success, week of breakthrough. So you are highly welcome. All right. In today's video, I want to talk on how you can bless your new week. I know maybe the video may be coming today being Monday, but I know it's an experience and you can also perform it by next week, like is new week or every day. I don't know, but is new week mainly prayers or recipe on how you can bless your week and make everything to work so perfect. So now what you want to do, even if you are into business, is very wonderful you do this recipe. If you are just office worker, you work in any firm, banks and anything, you can do this for favor. If you are doing anything, even if when you are just managing yourself in order to set up something, you can also do this. Believe me, the week will surely bless you. So what you need to do, number one, is coconut. Another thing you need is cubes of sugar. And another thing you need is, guess what? Original honey. All right. So these are the items you need to bless your week or to bless your day, to make it so prosperous, to make everything work. If you are into business, when you get to your business premises, you sell. If you are looking for clients, you will be meeting the new people and all that. If you are into online stuff, you can as well do that, do it before you just start your daily hustling. All right, and believe me, that week must surely bless you. So what you need to do is this: on Sunday evening, yes, just get a coconut and a bucket of water. First of all, take your bucket of water outside before you go to sleep. All right, now when the bucket of water is outside, when is 12 o'clock a.m., yes, so you wake up, take that coconut, full coconut. Now hold that coconut and read Psalm 69. Okay, after reading Psalm, but if you don't read Psalm, like many of you do ask me, what if I don't read Psalm? Just go ahead and pray normal prayer, but holding the coconut inside your hand, be touching that coconut all over your body from your head to your toe, like as if you are cleaning it. Be praying that this week that you are about to enter, whatever that will want to hinder your blessing, whatever that will want to block your glory, whatever that will want to stop your whatever, your customers, your clients, your connection, your everything, make sure you are just rubbing that coconut from your head to your toe. Make sure it touch every part of your body. This is exactly when it's 12 a.m. This is when you do this coconut one. Now, as you are doing that, you praying that as nobody knows what gives coconut to water, that you are transferring those mysteries into the water, and as you are going to break that coconut, you are breaking those things out of your life. Okay, you are breaking those things out of your life, out of your family, lack of money, lack of favor, late marriage, whatever you want to pray. Okay, then after you are done doing that, go outside and smash that coconut on the floor. Make sure the coconut smash scattered. Okay, like I did, like this video, and people was like asking me that, Lady P, can I open from the one eye to take out the water? No, Just the way the coconut is, you have already used it to clean your body. Go outside by that 12 a.m. and break that coconut into pieces, and said, as you are breaking this coconut, so you are breaking all those things you have already removed inside your body. Okay, maybe later I will do a video on the coconut breaking. Okay, when you are done doing that, what you need to do is this: go back to sleep. By that time, go out to sleep. Then when it's morning, early morning, when you wake up, before you greet anybody, before you talk to anybody, remember I told you, you are putting a bucket of water outside. Please, this is not your balcony, I mean outside. So this recipe, definitely you cannot do it. Maybe I will tell you another one you can do with just coconut. Okay, but this particular one, you need to keep the water outside. Okay, and you need to break this coconut by that 12 midnight. You don't just keep it and say, oh, let me wait till tomorrow I break it. So if definitely, because of the environment where you are, or because of where you are, you cannot do this recipe following the instruction, don't do it. There is many other ones you can do, they are all perfect. Okay, now the water that you've left outside, early in the morning, first thing in the morning, before you greet anybody, wake up, go outside, put 7 cups of sugar. Please, you are not using powdered sugar. You need 12 cups of sugar. So please don't start asking questions like, DDP, what do I do if I don't have cups of sugar? Maybe you leave this particular one. There is many other one you can do. Really, this time around, we need to follow the due process and instructions, so that we will get a testimony, because sometimes I may use out of pity and all that, and many of you guys will be complaining that, oh, this. So please, let's just always follow the procedure for a better result. If a recipe is being prescribed and that particular one you don't have the things required from it, there is many other way you can do it, which is also on the channel, and the video are still coming, that you can do to perform the same thing and you get a perfect result. All right. So now, when you wake up in the morning, go outside. When you drop your water, put 7 cups of sugar inside, and put original honey. Just take 1, 2, or 3 tablespoons of honey and put it inside that water. Okay, and you are using it to bed. You can, when you put it, you can take it back to your bedroom. If where you are is not where you can bet outside, you can take it back to bedroom. That is fine. If you can bet where you put it, that is also fine. But all you do is that water you left outside, you are putting 7 cups of sugar and honey inside to use it to bed that early morning. You have not talked to anybody. As you are betting, you are pouring those water in your body. You will be praying that as this water is full of sweet things, as this water is tasty, so shall this week be very tasting to you. So shall this week favor you. So shall everything about this week become sweet in your life. Okay, just pray particular things you want. Be praying that as you are praying, remember you are pouring that water from your hair to your toe. Maybe if you're a lady, you make your hair, you cannot pour from your hair, you can start from your face. Okay, but make sure as you are the water is touching your body, you are praying every sweet things in your body. All right, then when you are done doing that, don't clean your body, don't throw away your body, allow the water to dry on your body, and believe me, mark that week and mark the glorious thing that will happen. Is one of the best way to bless your new week using this mixture that I said. Remember that I said you need a coconut, and you need original honey, you need a cups of sugar, 7 cups of sugar, and a bucket of water outside. So try this recipe, and believe me, everything is going to work on your favor. Whatever you are expecting, you are going to get it so perfectly. All right, so I wish I share this with you. Don't forget to read Psalm 69. That is if you read Psalm. But Psalm is not only made for Christians, Psalm is for everyone. But just follow your heart, do it, and believe me, that week is going to bless you. All right, thank you very much, my beautiful family. I wish and I hope you find the video interesting. If you do, like usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe and share, and see you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.